Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassidy Coles, and today is a very exciting day because we are doing another insert name here review and tutorial with their two newest products. We have Ali, which is their lightest pony yet, so she's a queen, and then we have the beautiful and famous Chloe, which I am currently wearing right now, and she is a half up, half down queen, so basically a 3-in-1. Both of these are so perfect for summer. If you want a very clean, lightweight look, you have Ali, and then if you want a fun summer look, we have Chloe right here. You can always use code Cassidy for 10% off at checkout. And then also, very exciting news, insert name here just dropped their newest color matching quiz. So the quiz is so accurate and also just so fun and cute. And I don't know about you, but I am ready to start this video because insert name here products have my heart. I have their Instagram notifications on because anytime there is a new drop, I need to know. And Chloe and Ali are not only a summertime must-have, but a year-round must-have. So let's get started with this video today. I think we're gonna start with Chloe first. This is literally a 3-in-1 package because it is one purchase, but you get 3 products basically in one. And Chloe retails for $97, but with code Cassidy, you can get her for $82. So with Chloe, we get a baby pony, and this will be obviously for the half up part. And even though she is technically a baby pony, like look at the volume and length on this, but she is also super light in your hair, so it doesn't feel like your head's being weighed down or anything. And then Chloe comes with 3 wefts, so these are basically just clip-in extensions, and each one is a different size depending on where you're putting it in your hair. So the shortest one you put just at like the nape of your neck, and then the medium one you put a little bit over that, and then the longest one, and this one comes with 4 clips. You kind of put that at the top of your head, so you can use all of these products separately, like if you just want some clip-in extensions in your hair, or if you want to use the pony, or you can throw her all together for the full Chloe experience. It's recommended that you do just put like light waves in through your hair. She is very adjustable for whatever look you're going for, and also if you wanted to brush her out a little bit, you could do that. I definitely recommend my holy grail, the Emergency Revival Spray. This stuff, guys, is pure magic. The smell is phenomenal. It adds shine, it enhances the color, and then also just detangles the most. So it's perfect for synthetic hair because right when you spray it on your insert name hair brush, it just glides through. So I'm ready to put her in my hair. First thing we're gonna do is put our hair in a half up pony. You can use as much of your hair as you want to put in the pony. The way I like to wear her and what looks best on me is if I put more of my hair on the side in the pony, it kind of just lifts up and sculpts your face. I need to move my camera up a little bit more, but I have like the perfect grip on this ponytail right now, so she needs to wait a second. And then at the end, we will be using the gorgeous Quick Slick from insert name here, just to give us more of a put together look, take away the frizz and flyaways, because I definitely have a lot going on. I'm like, what is this? But the Quick Slick will help with that. So here we have the pony. Make sure you have a very nice and secure hair tie. You kind of want it super tight just because that gives you the best application with the pony. We're going to section off just about like 1 inch of hair at the very bottom. We're starting out with the shortest piece, and I'm going to just clip the rest of my hair away while we apply this. I'm only doing this much of hair. So starting off, this is our shortest piece. I'm just applying her right at the top of the hairline. And I noticed with these clips, they're so sturdy and secure, so they do all of the work for you, and it doesn't even feel like you have any extra weight to your hair. It's super lightweight and just already adds so much volume. Like, wow. Okay. And let's do the very next section. I'm just gonna section my hair off just about the same length. If you're like me and you kind of have thin hair and you're worried about the extensions kind of showing through, you can always use just 2 extensions and that will do the job. Or once you have the pony in, the pony will cover any spots that maybe the extension clips show through. So that's just 2 options for you guys. And next weft, we're going to put right over. They're so easy. It's honestly so satisfying hearing the little clicks so far. And it's also just so easy. Like, I'm taking my time with this, but if I wanted to, I could probably get it done in less than 2 minutes, I think. Saving our pony friend for last. And then very last weft has 4 clips, and it's the longest. And this is best for the top part of your head just because it covers more sections and it can fall down beautifully. So the pony comes with 2 bobby pins. So this one just is so cute, the baby pony. My favorite way to apply these are when I put the clip basically inside my actual like ponytail. You could just slide it in right here, but I like to actually put it in my ponytail. So right there it is. And then we wrap. Cue Eminem. I'm just kidding. Not that kind of wrap. So here we go. perfect. And see what I mean? Once you put the pony in too, in case you're worried about any of the clip-in extensions showing, it immediately covers it just because it already has a lot of volume. Like, I can't even explain how lightweight this feels. It doesn't even feel like I have anything in my hair. And then I look in the camera and I'm like, oh, I look like that? Like I said, this is an immediate confidence booster. I'm not even kidding. You could probably tell, like, the mood before Chloe and then the mood after. Something comes over me and I'm okay with that. Okay, and then here we have the Quick Slick, which is basically a holy grail for ponytails because all of these baby flyaways, like, that's not it. It's just not it for me. And you just swipe them up. And it's also not greasy or oily, and it smells beautiful. Like, just an immediate, sleek, gorgeous look. My baby hairs on the right side of my face are its own person today. I've never seen them that aggressive before, but thank God we have this. Perfect. I think we should try to brush out the curls a little bit. What do you guys think? I'm honestly just curious how they're going to look. So I'm gonna use the Revival spray. Oh my God, the smell. I need that, whatever that smell is inserting here, I need it as a perfume. This gives it more of just a softer kind of curl. I actually really, really like this. Okay, so this is what we get when I just lightly brushed her through, and I love the curls and the volume is just so gorgeous. I just feel like a queen in this. And also, if you wanted to have a little bit fun with her, this is heat resistant up to 320 degrees. Chloe is a real game changer for summer because your hair is out of your face, you're not going to be sweating, but you also have the gorgeous length with the extensions. I am living with this. This is my new summer look, guys, so I hope you enjoyed because I will be wearing her all summer. And then if I don't want to wear her, I can wear literally the lightest pony from insert name here yet, and that is what we're going to try next. So Ali, are you ready? So time to try Ali, but I also just wanted to show you how easy it is to take out of your hair too. Just the first clip, and then the next one, and then the next one. And just like that, we are done. So less than 30 seconds to take out. God, I really did do a tight ponytail on top. Best for applications, but wow, this is tight. And once again, she is the lightest pony yet from insert name here. So if you really want something that is extremely, extremely lightweight on your hair, Ali is it for you. And the texture of her is this gorgeous, beachy, soft curl, so silky and smooth. Ali retails for $49, but with code CASTY, you can get her for $41. And you can wear her as a high pony, low pony, mid pony. You could honestly even wear her for a half up, half down look just because she is so lightweight. And I have Ali in Champagne Blonde, but like I said, if you need to know your color, you can take insert name here's newest color matching quiz. In less than seconds, you can get your color. I would say I wish my hair felt like this, but then again, when I put her on, I'm like, this is my hair. So I'm gonna be wearing Ali in a high pony, but I'm not gonna do it too high on my head. I'm gonna do it kind of like a little bit in between mid pony and high pony. So I'm thinking right about here is perfect for me. Make sure your ponytail is super tight and secure because that will give you the best application for the pony and like a solid base for it to hold on to. So here we have the clips. And like I said with Chloe, my favorite way to apply these is when I put the actual clip into my ponytail hair tie. Perfect. And then we are going to wrap her all the way around. And then we're going to secure it with the bobby pin. And then here we are. She's so cute and lightweight. And for those of you who have thin hair, this is a perfect solution for you guys. You can also put your hair in a bun and then put the pony on top of that, or you can put it in a braid. I just left mine as a normal pony and then put it over. Honestly, this is a perfect summer look because of these waves. Also, she is beach proof. I have worn insert name here's ponies to the beach before because you can wear them right when you get there. If you guys want to go in the water, go in the water real fast. You get out, your hair is wet, you put your hair up in a pony, put your insert name here pony on top of that, and then you have your look just like that back together. Ali is also heat resistant up to 320 degrees, depending on how you want to style her. I think these beachy waves are just perfect. I don't want to mess with them. The silkiness of this, guys, I can't even express. And then to finish the look off, I'm going to be using the Quick Slick just to get any little flyaways. I pretty much already got all the flyaways away with Chloe, but just in case, and it's always, she smells so good. So I always, any opportunity I have to use the Quick Slick, I'm gonna use use it. For some reason, this right here is my favorite spot to do. It's like so satisfying right by your ears when you feel like the hair going out. And just like that, we have a completely different look and transformation in seconds. I filmed both of these looks back to back, and the look transformation, like, insert name here, is a game changer. Whatever look you're going for, they will give you. And Ali's just so pretty. Like, I just feel pretty with her. I love her. So that is our second and final look for this video. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and review of Chloe and Ali from insert name here. So if you guys want to get them, you can use code CASTY for 10% off, and I will have all of them linked down below along with insert name here's website. And I'd love to know down in the comments, what is your favorite look? Are you more of a Chloe fan? Are you more of an Ali fan? You let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you insert name here for always just blessing my life with these products and just creating cohesive looks for me, because I can't do this by myself, guys. My hair is not this magical, and that's okay, because then we have insert name here to help us. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video.
What's up, guys? I'll do another bikini haul, just you gotta wait. Right now I'm just gonna do what I like.